Hello, my crafty community. It's Nikki here again, and I bet you're wondering why I have all these various cards out here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what I did for Cards for Kindness. This is something that Scrapbookcom puts on, and they have put on for a few years now. And I found the email in my box and decided to do it this year. These are not the cards. I have already sent them, and unfortunately I didn't even take a picture of those cards. And they have you print out 3 pages, and the 1 page went with the cards. You send them in bundles of 10, so I sent 2 separate packages. It says right here, they're currently not accepting cards for Halloween, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, etc. But they are taking Christmas cards. But I did not send any Christmas cards. I basically stuck with the happy birthday and the thinking of you, get well soon, and sympathy cards. But it is a wonderful, wonderful cause. They're going to be sending these out to hospitals and nursing homes. And it says that you can have stamped sentiments inside, but don't write anything else in there. Leave that for them. And if you would like to get involved with this and spread the word, you can use these hashtags: Cards for Kindness, Creative Kindness, or Scrapbookcom, no dot in the middle. And they would really, really appreciate anything you can do. And I really enjoyed doing that this year, and hopefully I can continue. Thank you for joining me, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.